Hi, this video will walk you through the process of generating Analyte flagging graphs for reporting analytes and their results. Go to the Test Management module, select a test group and a test code from the drop-down menu. Select a test and click Export as PDF. In the Generate Report window, enter a file name and a report title. Go to Report Attributes. Select either Vertical View or Horizontal View, depending on how you would like to report analytes. Now click the box Include Analytes Flagging Chart. Select an analyte flagging range from the drop-down menu. You can select either the 3 or the 5 flagging range option. The 3 flagging range includes minimum, maximum, and optimal flags. The 5 flagging range option includes minimum, maximum, optimal, critical low, and critical high flags. Now select the position of the range label from the drop-down menu. You can choose to include the range label either above or below the chart. Select the attributes that you would like to include in the report. By default, all attributes are selected. Press Generate Report. Based on the final result values of each analyte, a bar graph is generated. The graph proves to be an effective tool to monitor analytes within range and those deviating from their optimal values. Thank you for watching. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call +1 302 789 0447.